What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon Haneline here with Jeep Informant, and today we're going to find out how fast you can go with the electronic stability control turned off. Now, the first thing we'll need to do is put it in four-wheel drive and actually turn the electronic stability control off. So we're going to press and hold the traction control button, and it's off, and I think there it is, electronic stability control off. So let's go ahead and throw it in drive. Now, if you watch the speed here, you'll see this thing's got some pretty good acceleration, and all right there. So 40 miles an hour, it actually turns the electronic stability control back on, which leaves the traction control still off. A little confusing, but basically it's a safety issue saying there's no need for you to be riding around with the ESC and the turned off going over 40 miles an hour, really, because that's meant for off-road use only. Now, as you can see here, whenever you go below 40 miles an hour, it actually turns the electronic stability control back off, and then when you come back above 40 miles an hour, it turns it back on. So it kind of keeps the setting there. That's pretty cool. Now, I'm not sure if you'll ever use this or not, but there's just good information to know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day. Be safe out there. Thanks to all my patrons, and we will see you next time, guys, and I hope you're smarter now than you were when you started. Have a great day.